You may have already received a notification from Google regarding your storage usage. If not, you will likely receive it in the future. And when that happens, you will stop receiving emails, you won't be able to save new files on Google Drive, and your Google Photos will be gone. But don't worry. To avoid these issues, I strongly encourage you to watch this video until the end or save it to your watch list. Why? Because this video contains valuable information, and by the end, I will also share a free method that allows you to get up to 1 terabyte of storage, absolutely free. Now, there are 2 ways to free up Google storage. The first option, buying a storage plan. You can see the details on the screen. But hey, if you don't want to spend money, just relax and watch the entire video because I've got a solution for you. In this video, we will not only free up Google storage, but we will also securely store all our files without losing a single one. Sounds good? Let's get started. First, we must back up all our files. To do this, open the website mentioned in the video description. This website contains all your Google backups, including Google Photos, Google Drive, Blogger, and more. Simply select what you want to back up and click Next. On the next page, choose Send Download Link via email from the drop-down menu. Then select Export Once and click Create Export to proceed. Important. Make sure the file type is set to ZIP and the file size is 50 gigabytes before clicking Create Export again. Once the process begins, you will see this message: your account, your data. Export a copy of content in your Google account to back it up or use it with a service outside of Google. After a few hours, you will receive an email containing your backup. Simply click on the link to download your complete backup. While we wait, let's do something fun. Let's all like this video together. Our target is 999 likes, so go ahead, hit that like button, and show the world how amazing our community is. Once your backup is downloaded, save it to your computer and open the special software that gives you 1 terabyte of free storage. The link is in the video description. You can use this software on both PC and mobile devices. Super convenient. Now that our files are secure, we can refresh our Google storage. To do this, visit the website linked in the description. Here you'll find different options to free up space. Delete whatever you no longer need and make sure to check Clean Up Other Items, because this section usually takes up a lot of storage. Once you're done, your Google storage will be refreshed, and you'll be able to use Google services much more smoothly. I truly hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.